Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a unique bhindi masala recipe that has no onions or tomatoes. It's super simple to make and tastes delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make the bhindi masala. I have taken here about 250 grams of okra and they are small to medium size. Just cut off these sides like these, and if they are long, cut them in half like that. I'm giving a slit in between to create an opening. So just notice how much space I've got here. Just little bit, not too much. We don't want to break off the okra. So just be very careful as you create that opening. In a pan, add about 1/3 cup of chickpea flour or besan. We are going to dry roast the chickpea flour until it changes color. So on a medium flame, keep stirring continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes till it changes the color. It is done, switch off the flame and keep it on the side to cool down. Now it has cooled down, let's add it in a bowl. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder or mango powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, about 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, and 3 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder. Mix it really well. Now add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and again give it a good mix. Chopped okra is ready and so is the masala powder. So now we are going to roughly fill in the okra with the masala powder. This helps to get the masala flavors inside the okra pieces. In a pan, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. For this curry, we need some extra oil. Once hot, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some crushed garlic cloves about 2, few curry leaves, pinch of hing. Give this tempering a good mix and fry it for few seconds. Here I have about 2 medium potatoes and I have chopped them into long slices like these. Notice that I have not peeled the potatoes. Now add about 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, some salt to taste. Remember that we also have added salt in the masala powder. Give it a really good mix. Cover and cook it on a medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, let's open and now we are going to add the stuffed okra. Also add the remaining masala powder. Give everything a really good mix. It will take few seconds to make sure that all the masala powder is evenly distributed, so take your time and mix well. Now we are going to cover and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium-low flame. Open and give it a quick stir. The okra and potatoes have started to become a little soft, but they definitely need more cooking. So cover again and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame. After about 7 minutes, let's open and again give it a quick stir. The curry is about 70% done, so I'm going to let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. After about 5 minutes, let's open and give it a quick stir. The curry is ready. Switch off the flame. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Notice that while cooking we have not added any water. This dry and spicy bhindi masala goes extremely well with a roti or a paratha. If you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.